Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Physics Mathematics Hub. Today we are going to solve the fourth numerical question from Unit 10 Simple Harmonic Motion and Waves in the 10th class physics textbook for KP boards. Let's begin. Here is the problem. Calculate the period and frequency of a propeller on a plane if it completes 250 cycles in 5 seconds. We are given that number of cycles denoted by capital N is equal to 250 and the total time taken denoted by small t is equal to 5 seconds. We need to find two things: the frequency and the time period of the propeller. The first step is to find the frequency, which tells us how many cycles the propeller completes per second. The formula for frequency is pretty simple. It's the number of cycles divided by the total time taken. Therefore, small f is equal to capital N divided by t, where f is frequency, n is the number of cycles, and small t is the total time taken. Putting values, we get f is equal to 250 divided by 5. Simplifying, we get f is equal to 50 Hertz. So the propeller completes 50 cycles per second, which is the required frequency of the propeller. Next, we will find the time period, which tells us how long it takes for one complete cycle. As we know that the time period is just the inverse of the frequency, so we use this simple formula: t is equal to 1 over f. Putting values, we get t is equal to 1 over 50. Simplification gives t is equal to 0.02 second. So the period of the propeller is 0.02 seconds, which means that it takes just 0.02 seconds for one full cycle. I hope this explanation helped you understand the concepts of period and frequency. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub for more easy to understand physics and math solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more exciting physics and math problems. Allah Hafiz.